If you're experiencing a verification pending issue with YouTube Premium, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your YouTube account is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are any issues with the payment method, update it in your account settings. Step 2. Verify your email address. Make sure that the email address associated with your YouTube account is verified. Check your inbox for a verification email from YouTube and follow the instructions to confirm your email. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can cause verification delays. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and log back into your YouTube account. Step 4. Relog into your YouTube account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use sROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact YouTube support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to YouTube support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on YouTube Premium. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from YouTube's support team.